Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, I found the 32 pickup finally done. It didn't turn out exactly perfect, or exactly the way I wanted it, but it is the way it is. First, I started with all the mods we did, or some of the mods we did. We put well, I'll just show you. We put a 2D9 in it from the AMT 65 Mustang kit, and pretty good. And made some custom air cleaners. Put a different kind of steering linkage in there because we had to compensate because the headers, the dual exhaust, the turbo tubes in the back. So let me turn my computer, my volume down on my thing here. So I thought the 1/16 scale engine out of the AMT kit would have been perfect fit, but it's actually a little bit bigger than the original engine. This one here, this one comes with a 4-cylinder and also the 8-cylinder flathead. They're both flathead engines. So this is actually a little bit bigger for whatever reason. So this way, this 289, it has dual carbs in it, and do air cleaner similar to my friend's truck. Of course, my friend's truck has a 327 in it, 4-speed. This one also has the 4-speed in it. So, you know, the box is a little bit pushed back a bit because of the size of the engine. But anyways, there's mirrors up here on it, like my friend's truck. Oh, his had steely wheels in the back, but his were chrome, and he had a lot nicer rims than these, but they weren't skinny. Well, I guess they're skinnies, but he also, his front end on his truck actually was a front end that took out of a Mustang too. So this is just straight axle. So still have to do a little bit of touch up. He had up here, it's kind of screwed up, but touch it up later. But it's pretty much done. There's a few little touch-ups, but there's a lot of screw-ups in it, big time. So it is what it is. I mean, this is a good kit to build stock and not be modified at all, because just things don't work properly. But all in all, it's a good kit. I wasn't presented to my friend, but it's not perfect. I'm just going to keep it as a memory of that truck. So anyways, it's just the way it is. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. Anyways, yeah, thought I'd show that to you. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more builds from Old Beater Cars Workshop. See ya.